So hi there everyone, we're going to continue with our batch of videos in the introduction to Vedic Mathematics, and we're now here in 1.7 wherein we're going to show the application of all the lessons we have learned in 1.1 to 1.6 to money problems. Again, what we're talking about here is the sutra, all from 9 and the last from 10. That's your Nikhalam Sutra. So as an example, you will buy, for instance, a burger worth 29 pesos and you will pay for it with a 100 peso bill. How much would be your change? So this is very simple. And mentally, what we're looking at, when you are in a burger junction, you don't have a piece of paper and solve for it, right? You do it in your head. So usually what you do in your head is that you have a 100 peso bill. You're going to minus that by 29 and you're going to do it with the old-fashioned way. Now, I will challenge you and tell you that making use of the sutra, all from 9 and the last from 10, will make things easier, okay, for your problems when it comes to money. When it comes to money. So how do we do that? 100 minus 29 will be the way. And what will be our answer? So all from 9 and the last from 10, but we'll add 2 to make it 9. That's 7, 9, 29. Last from 10, that's 1. So the answer is 71 pesos. So that's it. 100 minus 29, all from and the last from 10. The number of digits is the same with the number of digits in the subtrahend. So apply the sutra. So that's 71. Let's have another example. You will buy two burgers worth 39 pesos each. So there are two of them. So 39 times 2. And a foot long worth 40 pesos. You'll pay for it with a 1,000 peso bill. How much would be your change? So what will be our answer there? So 39 times 2. Actually, you can just have it as, 40 times 2. That's 80 minus 2. That's going to be 78 plus 40. That's going to give you, what, 118. Okay? Since 3 of them is going to be 40 minus 2. 3 times 40 is 120. So minus 2 is 118. So you pay 1,000 peso bill. How much is your change? So I'm going to give you 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The answer is 1,000 minus 118, all from and the last from 10. That's going to be 882. And we did that making use of the sutra and mentally. So that's our answer. That's 882. So that's how we apply it in money problems. Fairly easy. Very much helpful when it comes to um, fast transactions, especially in everyday transactions. Okay. Now, what I'm going to give you is I'm going to give you exercises. All of these are you're going to need to apply all the things that you have learned from the very first video of that is 1.1, and then I'm going to give you enough time to answer this, and you may also pause the video if you want to. So I'll give you um 60 seconds. That's a minute. Go. Okay, hopefully you're now on number 2 or number 3. 45 seconds left. The video is not mine. There's the link for the owner. Hopefully you're now on number 5 or number 6 right now. Maybe number 8 now or number 7. Okay, 20 seconds left. 15 seconds. Should be on number 8 of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay, and that's it for the video. What is the answer? 1,000 minus 976. So the number of zeros is the same with the number of digits in the subtrahend. So we're going to apply the sutra. So this becomes 0 to 4. That's 24. 1,000 minus 808. This becomes 192. 192. 6,000. So we're going to deduct 1 here automatically and then apply the sutra. 5, 2, 5. This becomes 3, sorry. 5, 2, 3, 8. Okay, 5, 2, 3, 8. I'm sorry, this is a typographical error. That should be 5, 2, 3, 8. I'm sorry about that. Again, this is a typographical error. Number 4, 8,000 minus 58. So that becomes 7 automatically. So we're going to install a 0 here. 7, 9, 4, 2. Number 5 is 10,000 minus 358. This becomes minus 1. This becomes install a 0 here. 9, 6, 4. Last number is 2. Okay, 9642. Here we have 90,000 minus 899, minus 1, 8. Install a 0 here, so we have 8, 9, 1, 0, and 1. Here for number 7, 48 minus 6,000, 48,000 minus 6,578. So what we have is this becomes 47 minus 6. This becomes 41, and then apply the sutra. 41, 4, 2, 2. Here, apply the minus 1 first. This becomes 5, and then minus 2. This becomes 3, and then apply the sutra. 3, 6, 6, 6, 9. Number 9, we have 5,000 minus 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 rather. Minus 1, this becomes 4. Minus 1, 3. 3, 7, 6, last 6. And number 10, 50,000 minus 4, 3, 3, 4. Minus 1 here, this becomes 4. And then apply the sutra. 4, 5, 6, 6, and 6. Okay, again, there's an error or a typographical error in number 3. Sorry for that. Okay, so that's the end of our Vedic Maths 1 that is in the subtraction part. Hopefully you learned something from there, and we're going to continue with this in the next video, still in Vedic Maths 1, but we're now on the special case multiplication. We're going to explore multiplication by 11, by nines, and other more. Okay, so hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the like also. So thank you very much.